Outside, being undercover probably is a good idea for much of the Bay Area today. It was bleak, it was drizzly, although I understand the South Bay they didn't get much, Paul?
Not a whole lot. They warmed up into the 60s around San Jose, so they've seen a lot of cloud cover, but warmer temperatures, not as much drizzle. But even where the weather was gross, it was glorious. We need the moisture, even though it's going to be sticking around through the Christmas holiday weekend. Rainy and windy overnight. Wind gusts over 20 miles an hour during the nighttime hours. So if you have some outdoor lawn decorations that are inflatable, you may want to deflate those before you go to bed. Otherwise, they're going to fly away. More rain on the way tomorrow and tomorrow night. And then a little break in the action developing for Friday, Christmas Eve. It's not going to be dry, but it's looking dry-ish, a break from the most widespread showers on Friday. Right now on the radar, there's not much in terms of actual shower activity. The radar picks up rain that's falling. It doesn't pick up mist and drizzle. Those are the droplets that are just kind of hanging in the air. They don't move fast enough for the radar to actually kind of trigger, and that's picking up rain farther off to our north. But there's plenty of moisture still around the Bay Area. Those pockets of mist and drizzle still out there, and they're going to be with us before the measurable rain moves back in. That's going to happen late this evening and into tonight. By 11 o'clock, I think we are going to see some scattered showers redeveloping with heavier rain beginning to edge into the North Bay. We'll wind the clock forward and more widespread heavy rain as we head through the overnight hours. Some locally heavy downpours, but that activity is going to diminish in intensity, but it's not going to quit by drive time tomorrow morning. And even if you don't have measurable rain at that point, you're still going to have mist, drizzle, something like that to deal with. As we go into the late morning hours, we're going to see a brief little break in the action, but still mist, drizzle, it's going to be wet, and then more rain developing. Really focused on the southern half of the Bay Area for the most widespread shower activity tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, but there are going to be scattered showers north of the Golden Gate as well. All of this is going to get pushed farther off to the east as we head into early Friday morning. So that's our break in the action that's going to develop. But overnight tonight, don't be surprised if you hear a couple rumbles of thunder. There is actually the potential for a few lightning strikes, cloud to cloud generally, that are going to result in some audible thunder. And that threat extends farther up the coast. They even had a marginal risk of severe weather along the coasts of Oregon and Washington that has now been dropped. Let's add up the rain with this particular round over about the next 48 hours, slightly less than that. We're talking about anywhere from a quarter inch to close to an inch of total rainfall, a little bit more in the higher elevations of the Santa Cruz Mountains. But even these rainfall amounts not likely to result in any significant flooding threat or in any debris flow concerns. In terms of the travel forecast, let's look statewide. We'll wind the clock forward into tomorrow morning. The High Sierra picking up plenty of snow. We'll talk about that at 5:30. There's the Bay Area's rain, with rain also likely for Southern California, and that could result in some debris flow concerns for some of the burn scars in the southern half of the state. And that rain is going to continue as we head into Christmas Eve as well. So travel around the Bay Area Christmas Eve is looking okay, but farther south may run into some difficulty. Temperatures tonight are actually going to go up. Wake-up temperatures are going to be warmer than we are right now, dropping down, or actually rising up into the low 50s in most locations, maybe upper 40s for the North Bay. High temperatures tomorrow, reaching up into the mid to upper 50s, will be in the warm sector of this storm system. So even with the clouds and the rain, we're going to be slightly above average for the day before Christmas Eve. Temperatures do drop off as we head through the rest of the 7-day forecast. Plenty of rain chances in store. The most widespread rain is going to be tomorrow, again on Saturday, at least the first half of Christmas Day, and then again on Monday of next week. But every day in the extended forecast has a good chance of showers, and temperatures are going to be chilly enough by early next week. We're probably going to see some snow on top of the tallest hills around the Bay Area, some of those elevations above 3,000 feet. A little bit of ornamental snow, but I don't think it's going to be a problem at sea level.
Boy, it just keeps on coming. Thank you, Paul. And coming up, you wouldn't think anyone in the